Hello, I'm going to talk about Scrum, an agile methodology commonly used in project management, especially in software development. Scrum philosophy. Scrum is based on agile principles, which emphasize collaboration, flexibility, continuous improvement, and delivering value to the customer. The core philosophy of Scrum is adaptive rather than predictive. This means that Scrum accepts uncertainty and change as part of the development process, rather than trying to foresee and plan everything in advance. Types of projects suitable for Scrum. Scrum is best suited for projects that have changing or not fully defined requirements. Projects where requirements may evolve over time, such as software development, benefit from the flexibility of Scrum. Require fast and frequent delivery of functional increments. If the goal is to deliver products or features in short cycles and receive frequent feedback, Scrum is ideal. Involve small, collaborative teams. Development teams that work closely together and can self-organize find Scrum a suitable structure. Need an iterative and incremental approach. Projects that can be broken down into small incremental parts with frequent iterations. General Scrum structure. Scrum is structured in roles, events, and artifacts. Roles. Product owner represents the interests of the customer and stakeholders. Responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog. Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process, helps the team follow Scrum practices and principles, and removes impediments. Development team, self-organizing cross-functional group that works on delivering product increments at the end of each sprint. Events. Sprint, a fixed work cycle, usually 2 to 4 weeks, during which a product increment is created. Sprint planning. Meeting at the beginning of the sprint where the team decides what work will be done during the sprint. Daily Scrum, daily 15-minute meeting where the team synchronizes activities and plans the next 24 hours. Sprint review, meeting at the end of the sprint where the completed work is presented to stakeholders for feedback. Sprint retrospective, meeting at the end of the sprint where the team reflects on the process and looks for ways to improve. Artifacts. Product backlog, prioritized list of everything that might be needed in the product. It is maintained by the product owner. Sprint backlog, list of selected tasks from the product backlog that the team commits to complete in the sprint. Increment, the sum of all product backlog items completed during a sprint and the increments of all previous sprints. Conclusion. Scrum is an agile methodology that is well suited to projects with high uncertainty and where requirements can change. Its flexible structure and iterative approach enable rapid adaptation to change and continuous delivery of value to the customer. It is especially suited for software development and other projects that benefit from incremental delivery and frequent feedback.